Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dropified for dropshipping supplier matching step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Dropified website and hit enter. Once the search results load, click on the official Dropified link. This will direct you to the Dropified homepage. Look for the Get Started button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the Get Started button. You will be taken to a registration page. Here, fill in your email address and create a password. Once you have entered the required information, click on the Sign Up button. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message from Dropified. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Now, return to the Dropified homepage. Click on Login at the top right corner to access your account. Enter the email and password you just created. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Suppliers section. Here, you will find options for supplier matching. Choose your preferred suppliers based on your dropshipping needs. Follow the prompts to connect your store with the selected suppliers. If necessary, install any needed browser extensions as prompted. Once everything is set up, you can start importing products directly from the suppliers. You are now ready to explore others features offered by Dropified for your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.